We're here to do a quick video to explain what is the upgrade with the Quantum Orgo-Life Quantum Energy MedBed technology. That's what it is. What it is we're using electromagnetic push through the quantum push, and we're pushing all the frequencies with Rife, and it becomes quantum. Not like Spooky says, which they're using analog material. Going through this, there's a PC board and the signal becomes quantum. It is really quantum technology, not like other suppliers are saying. And I'm sorry to say, but when I see that, I get really frustrated. So everything goes through. We have over here the booster 1000. That's for the professional series, which does a quantum push of the signal 1000% in the amperage and in the voltage. And it gives through a signal. The signal is really for quantum. So we see over here all the flashing lights are going through these zappers, are doing a sweep. Then they go through, this is a 377% quantum push booster. And you have also the 1000 models, which are over here. So we see different things. Here we come. We are more in the semi-professional quantum energy MedBed technology. And you see all the cables needed to push the frequencies. We're going to take a pause, and now we're going to your upgrade kit. When you're ready.
Go.
Here we have the upgrade kit. What's supplied in the upgrade kit? We have the 300. No, this is a 1000. Sorry. Can you give me an 8050? I took a 1000. I did a mistake. Okay. The 8050, the model that we see here comes with this, and it comes with all the cables to attach to it. What we're going to do is we're not going to use this box. We're going to put it over here, and it comes also with a whatchamacallit. Give me 1 second. What it does is with the Orgo-Life, the family series, when you buy anything, that it is a pyramid, that is a small table, that it is a bigger table, or it is a professional series. And we're going to take out, here's a frequency generator that works with our material. It comes with the So I'm going to plug it into this, and we're going to plug it into this and turn it on. Perfect. To have the signal going out, we need this. Then we choose the frequency according to Rife or anything else you want to use. So when it goes through this, we could make it go through the booster, which we popped a bit the metal over here because sometimes they make noise. If it makes noise, you shut it down and you turn it back on. It is normal. It won't heat. It doesn't have to work with the fan, but with the fan will last longer. So this is the output cables. This is the booster, 377%. That goes with all family series. Today we're going to use the Zapper, which does a sweep frequency reverse, which is very, very good for any wellness problems. We're not allowed to do medical because over here in Canada they'll arrest us. So what it does is you feel a lot better with your illness. That's what this technology does. Does it cure and everything? We're not allowed to go there, so we won't talk about that. So here we're going to plug the zapper. Okay, once it's plugged, this giving the signal. So we'll go into this channel over here. We'll plug it. So it goes through the booster, and then we come to the table. But how do we plug it? It comes with an interface cable, so you use your interface and you could plug it in. And you see, now you have it flashing, so you're going through the signal is totally different. it's more to the Rife Therapeutic Signal. So that's what it's giving you. Can we get it also with the pyramid? Absolutely. We'll put the interface here and we get the signal. Okay, now if we want to use, we'll use the second channel over here and we'll plug the Rife frequency. I'll go take, I'll put a frequency over here. The mode you want to use is square or triangle. So we'll go back. We'll use square. And I'll put a frequency that's good for harmonizing. So we're going to move this 432 1 2. Move again 1 2 3. Move again 1 2 3 4. Move again and we'll put 0. So we got 432. We'll run it and we'll play with it. And this is in the second. Back up a bit the camera. So this is in the second channel. So in the second channel, okay, I don't have it coming out. Oh yeah, I do. Okay. So it doesn't give you the same flashing because it's not a sweep, but you have adjustments, so, and you could turn on the power. So now we're going 432 hertz, the frequency. And you could have it offset and everything. There'll be courses, some crash things online, and you'll be able to inscribe yourself to know how to use it in therapeutic mode. If I want to use triangular, I'm going to stop it. I'll go triangular, do a run, and I'm running triangular. So this is running with the, right now, with the frequency generator. This one is running with this. So the upgrade kit has the booster, this, and you can have the option also of this one. So you can have 3 units. Or you can put it, if you want, which is a lot softer, has nothing to do. It comes with a transfo. When you have the family series, it'll be very soft. It'll be a light, a red light, and it'll be very soft. It's not the same thing. So, but you want to use therapeutic. Anything that's therapeutic is a lot stronger. So now we're going again, therapeutic. Oh, here it is, first channel. So this is the pyramid going on this, and this is going on this. So I hope the upgrade kit is really interesting. And when you take the upgrade kit, you can start doing professionally seances. It comes with a license, $25 Canadian a year to renew, and you get a 10-year warranty as long as you keep the license, and you'll be able to be inscribed in a repertoire. So for the people of the US, if you have a few tools, it could be worth $25 to up $100 an hour using different technology, and you can do clients, and then you'll be in the repertoire, and it's included with the $25 license. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll do more videos. Sorry it took a lot of time for the people for the US. Sorry about my little accent in the English. I speak a lot French here in Canada, but it'll be very, very interesting. So the sweep zapper with this comes with it. You could have the option of having a Rife frequency, and you get the interface cables. It's all included in the kit. Thank you so much, and blessings to everyone.